Everyone, today in this video we're going to understand about how we can convert a JSON file into a CSV file, for which I've created a JSON file on my own and then try to convert it into a comma separated value, which is your CSV file. What is a JSON file? It's nothing but a file which contains the data in a form of a key value pair. Same like our dictionaries. So what is so different from dictionaries to JSON files is there the key can be anything, right? It can be an integer, number, float, or a string, or whatever the value it should be. Here, it should always be a string. That is, whatever the key value pair that you create, it should always have the keys in a form of a string. So I'm importing a JSON library and I've created a data. So whatever the data that I have created, I'm just dumping it to my data.json. That is what JSON. Simple file handling. I'm opening a file called data with .json extension, and using the JSON library, I'm dumping my whole data into this into this JSON file. Basically, whatever is here is dumped, right? So now we have a file with data.json, which has this key value pairs in it. Now, whatever is in this data.json, I need to convert it into a comma separated value, where instead of getting values like this, you will create a file where all the values are comma separated for you. Whenever you try to open such files in your local system, it's going to open in a form of an Excel, where you can view information in a form of a row and a column. So now, for doing that, I'm importing a library called pandas. With the help of pandas, you can read whatever the extension of your files. You can read JSON, CSV, TSV, Excel, and whatsoever it is. So by using pandas, I'm trying to read the JSON file, that is data.json, which we created just now, and I'm putting it in a variable called df. So whatever is in the df, I'm converting it into two CSV, giving a name called output.csv. So now whatever was in our data.json is in our output.csv. So now we will, with the help of pandas, again I'm trying to read our output.csv. The values are like this. That is, whatever was our keys sat as our column names and the values are the corresponding values. This is called as a data frame or a table, which is a 2D data structure, which has information in the form of a row, a column and a row. So this is how you can create a JSON and convert it into CSV, or whenever you have a JSON directly, this is how you can convert it into CSV. I hope this was an informative video. Happy learning.